Good morning. It's Tuesday, 13th of December. I'm not sure if you noticed, I've got my twinkly lights on. I didn't have them on for a few days because I needed to get batteries and I kept forgetting. So, ta-da, the lights are on. So let's see what's behind Tuesday's door number 13. Here we go. As we're getting less and less, it's getting not so much fun to try and find where they are. Give it a rattle. Oh, tiny little thing in this massive big box. Okay, so Skin from Iceland eye cream. Nice. Skin from Iceland eye cream. Rem contour. How to pat cream gently on under eye area. I do like to use the nice eye cream. So it's such a little cute container as well. I'm not going to open it just yet. Wow, it's got 3 months shelf life, so I'm not going to open it now. Oh, solutions for stressed skin. Nice. I think we all have some of that. Okay, that's door 13. See you tomorrow for day 14.